Hello and welcome back to Fitter with Lynette. Today is session number 11 and today we are going to work on our arms and abs. For today's session also, I'm hoping you're ready to do the exercises with me. So let's begin. Exercise number 1 is called bicep curls. For this exercise, I would highly recommend you to use 2 bottles of water, or if you have weights at home or anything that you can use to strengthen your muscles. And for this, you start with standing up straight, holding onto the bottles by the side, and you just bend your elbows and straighten. So remember not to do it very fast and swing your arms. You have to do it very, very slow. Bend and slow extend. Every time you do an exercise slowly, that's when you're working on the muscles, because the muscles have to control your movement. Do it nice and slow. Bend your elbows and straighten. You can also use a bag of rice, bag of beans, whatever you have at home to use to strengthen your arms. Exercise number 2 is called shoulder press, and for this exercise I'm going to use the same weights or bottle of water that I had before. So this is the starting position, and you just press your arms up as high as you can go and slowly lower down. Shoulder press is a very good exercise to strengthen your upper arm muscles, also your upper back muscles. Remember, you do it very, very slow. So you go slow up as high as you can go and slowly lower down. And your breathing is going to be breathe out when you lift, breathe in when you come down. This exercise is good for people who are having difficulty carrying heavy weights, doing groceries, doing work around their house, or general achiness around their shoulder and upper back. This will strengthen those muscles for you. The next 3 exercises are going to be on a mat, so I would like everyone to get ready with their mats. Exercise number 3 is called bear crawl, and for this, the starting position is on your hands and your knees. You lift your knee up and imagine you're a bear crawling forwards. So you take 2 steps forwards and 2 steps back. So move your hands and your legs forwards and back. This exercise might be challenging for some people, and if it's difficult lifting your knees up, you can lower your knees down and then do the same thing, stepping forwards and stepping back. This exercise is very good to strengthen your arms. You'll feel some burn on your upper arm muscles and also your core. Remember to tighten your abs while you do this exercise. The 4th exercise for today is called single leg raise. For this, you come with your feet stretched forward, your hands placed behind. Make sure you're comfortable in this position, and you have to lift your leg up, one leg at a time, as high as you can go. This exercise is good for your lower ab muscles and also targets your core. Remember to breathe, so you breathe out when you lift the leg up. If anybody is having pain or difficulty while doing this exercise, you can take a short break, sit up, rest, and then resume when you feel ready. Try to do this for 40 seconds. The 5th exercise for today is called supine twist. For this, you come to lie down flat on your back, hands by your side. Lift your feet up off the floor. Remember to have your hip and your knee at 90 degrees, and then we're going to do a twist side to side. If this position is difficult for you, or if it's very challenging to move your hips sideways, you can lower your feet down and then do a twist. This will be much more easier and comfortable. The supine twist exercise is a very good exercise for your oblique muscles, which are on the side of your abs. These muscles help with rotation or the twisting motion in your spine. Remember to go only as far as your body lets you. Don't push too much. So either you can have your feet up and then do a twist, or feet down and twist. That's the end of our session. Please don't forget to do all the exercises 3 to 4 times, so then you can get about 30 minutes of exercise. Please don't forget to like my videos, and please share it with your friends and family, whoever you think will benefit from these sessions. I will see you next week. Bye. Take care.